Okay, this question asks us to write a Python program to display the examination schedule. Hint, we need to extract the date from a variable, in this case, exam date. So I'm going to write exam date, and I'm going to assign it to a random date such as January the 10th, 2000. Then I'm going to print and format this date in a formal way. So print parentheses, quotation mark, and inside the quotation mark, I'm going to use a string formatted, which will basically will be matched for this date. So for this reason, I'm going to use modulus, and also I put a random character such as a, and you can put, for instance, I or whatever you want. But here I'm going to use a. So modulus A represents this first position, which is the month here. And then I'm going to put a forlash, again, modulus A. And this time, the modulus A represents the day, then forlash, and again, modulus A for year. And then if you print this statement so far, it just gives you the literal string that we wrote. And this is not what we want. We want this date to be formatted in this way that we want it. For this reason, I'm gonna put a modulus outside the string, and then I'm gonna use the same variable exam date. In this way, I'm gonna have this date formatted formally. So you can go and polish this string further. You say, for instance, the exam will be held on this date. And this is the printed string. The exam will be held on this date, January the 10th, 2000. And this was all about this tutorial. Thanks for watching.